Hello, guys and girls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm really pleased to have you all here. If you are just joining this or just watching this content, please do well to like, share, and also comment and tell me what you think about this video. So today I'll be taking you through the process of my journaling, how I journal my trade after uh, after it has hit either take profit or SL or after it hit my break even. So this is AUDJPY, and I think I made some analysis on it and a quick recap on this trade. So let's dive into the lower time frame. So yeah, so this is the trade I took today. This is the trade I took today, and I took it after I saw a rejection around this area, and I took it after the first flag formed. Yeah, as you can see, as you can see on the 5 minutes. Let me delete this. Yeah, as you can see on the 5 minutes, this was actually a perfect entry after the impulse, after it has formed a double bottom. Yeah, after it formed a double bottom around this area. So the first impulse and the next correction, that was when I took my buy. That was when I took my buy setup. So I'll be taking you guys how I journal. So let me take you guys to my journaling platform. I make use of Notion app. I make use of Notion while journaling. So coming, yeah, yeah. So I'll be going to my trading journal. I'm going to my trading journal. So yeah. This is my trading journal. You can see so many trades I've journaled here. I journal almost all the trade I take. So the setup we took today was AUD, JPY, AUD, JPY. Yeah. And we took a buy as long. Today's date is 21. Yeah. So it's on Monday. And the stop loss in pips, that's 9.9 stop loss. That was what we used on this trade. So 9.9. Entry type, I would say a reduced risk entry. The trade high probability, valid or invalid? Let me just put it out valid. Yeah. Part of my watch list. Rule of three is an impulsive move. The zone it was, that is the green zone, the kind of pattern I saw before taking it. I saw a bull flag, something like a bull flag. Yeah, you can see. So like a bull flag. So let's continue. Which day did I exit? Still November 21. And yeah, results. I made six, yeah, 6.6 percentage, 6.6, 6.6 percent. So it was a win automatically. So now now screenshot. I will screenshot it. Yeah, copy the chat image. So yeah, okay. So come out with a problem. Yeah. So I paste the link. Yeah. So that's it. If I click on it now, I would see what I journaled on the trade. Let's take a look at it. The service is kind of bad. Yeah, you can see. So that's all for today. I just want to take you guys on my quick journaling trade. So if you are just viewing this channel, please do well to subscribe and like this channel. Thank you.